How to change measurement on Zara app. So let's get started. To access your saved measurements, search for any clothing item and tap Add. Here, you will be able to see the size recommendation. Tap on it and you will be able to see the size guide button. Here, you will need to add the details such as name, gender, height, weight, and age. Once you are done updating, tap Save or Update Recommendation. Zara will now give you size suggestion based on your new data. You can also change this information each time you shop. It's now locked in. So if your size or fit preference changes, just update it anytime. And that's it. Now you will get more accurate fit recommendation from Zara. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.